Hello friends, I am Pradeep Yadav. Welcome to my channel, The Knowledge Adda. Today there is a quiz session which is basically based on introduction of relational data management system. So here are 50 questions and within 50 seconds you have to give the answer. Okay, so by this quiz you can check your level about introduction of relational data management system. Also, you can judge yourself ki how much you know about this particular topic, that is relational database management system introduction, we can say. Because here I have mentioned quiz session unit 1. So basically I have taken syllabus of BCA and B.Tech. So let's discuss and just check yourself. This is first question. So you have to tell what is full form of SQL. So within 50 seconds, you have to give the answer. So I will wait till 15 seconds so you can check yourself. So correct option is structured query language. Means B option is a correct option in this question. So here you can check the B. Now, which of the following is not a DDL command? So, as we know, SQL command divided in four part. One is DDL, second is DML, third is DCL. Then we have TCL also. So, DDL means data definition language. So, which command we generally use to define the definition of anything? So, here create is a basically DDL command. Okay. Now, which of the following are a TCL? That is transaction control language, we can say. So you have time, so you can think. So here, commit and roll back are TCL command. How many primary keys can have in a table? So there is a possibility of only one primary key within a relation or within a table. Only one primary key can have a table, but multiple number of foreign key can have a table. So near about as per SQL, so there can be 253 foreign key in a table. Okay, so correct option is first, that is only one. So this first A option is correct option. Okay. Now next one is, which command is used to change the definition of a table in SQL? So if you want to change the definition of a table, so you have to change, means we are talking about change. So alter is command. A relational database consists of a collection of, so basically relational database consists a collection of tables. Okay, so option A is correct option. Now it in a table represent a relationship among a set of values. So basically here key is a correct option, because key is used to create a relationship between a table, as like you can take example of primary key and foreign key. So basically primary key and foreign key used in a relational database management system to create relationship between the table. So in relational database management system, basically tuple is used to refer to a row or record. So option B is correct option. Now the term attributes refer to, so basically column is called attributes in term of relational database management system. So B option is correct option. The select command is a part of what type of statement? So basically select is a part of data manipulation language, and that is DML. What command is used to create a new table in SQL? So basically whenever you are going to creating database or creating table, so firstly we use create, and then if you want to create database, so here you can mention create database. If you want to create table, so here you have to mention create table. Okay. Which of the following command is used to delete all the rows and free up space from a table? That is truncate. Which of the following command are part of data control language? So basically, data control language, there are two commands which are mostly used to controlling the language data. That is revoke and grant. Grant means just you are giving permission to someone to access the data. Revoke means just withdrawing the privilege to access the data. So this is basically यहाँ पे हम किसी पर्सन से या किसी यूजर से परमिशन को बैक ले रहे हैं और यहाँ पे परमिशन हम दे रहे हैं. Which of the following is the full form of DDL? So basically DDL का जो full form होता है that is data definition language. So A option is correct option. How many operations are considered to be most basic SQL operations? So basically, there are four operations which are considered to be most basic SQL operation. One is, select, insert, update, and delete. So these are basically four basic operations. Up, update. Then we have insert. Okay, and then select. So these are four basic operations. Which of the following constraint can be defined only at a common level? So basically not learn. What type of database model organize data in table with row and column? So as we know, relational database model generally used to organize data in table. सो इसमें जो चारों ऑप्शन है उसमें जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा आपका रिलेशनल होगा. हिरार्किकल में बेसिकली डेटा आपका स्टोर होता है इन टर्म ऑफ रोल पेरेंट एंड चाइल्ड. नेटवर्क में one data can have multiple path. Object oriented means here data is stored in form of classes and object. Okay. Which SQL instrument is used to retrieve data from a database? So basically database से कभी भी अगर data retrieve करना है या fetch करना है, then we use select. Means suppose there is a table, if you want to select all the data, so you have to write query select no star from table name. So it will return all the data from the table. तो ये सारे डेटा जो भी टेबल होगा उसको रिटर्न कर देगा. मतलब इस प्रोसेस से आप डेटा को रिट्रीव कर सकते हैं. What is full form of DBMS? So that is Database Management System. And what is database? So basically database, organized collection of information that can be accessed, updated and managed. Which type of data can be stored in the database? So basically in database आप image भी store कर सकते हैं, text file भी store कर सकते हैं, audio video भी store कर सकते हैं. तो every type of data can be stored in database. Which of the following is a not type of a database? So basically hierarchical is a type of database, network is also type of database, distributed is also type of database, decentralized that is not type of any database. Which of the following is a not example of DBMS? So MySQL is also example. Microsoft SS is also. IBM DB2 is also. Google is a not no example of database management system. Okay. Which of the following is a not a function of database? So managing stored data that is function. Manipulating data that is also function. Security of for stored data that is also function. Analyzing code that is not function of database. Okay. What is information about data called? So basically information about data is called metadata. So basically metadata is a term or a function which contain data about data. Which of these most like a hierarchical database? So basically in hierarchical database your data is stored in form of parent child or tree like structure. Okay. So that A option is correct option. What is basic relationship in a hierarchical database? So as we discussed, that is parent child. Which of the following is a type of DBMS model? So relational is also type of DBMS model. Metaverse is also hierarchical is also means all options are correct here. Which of the following is not a component of database management system? So as we know, query processor is uh, component, database engine is also component, indexing engine is also component. Only database table is a not component of database management system. What SQL statement retrieves data from database? That is select. We have already discussed. What is a primary key used for? So basically, primary key used for uniquely identify a record in a table, enforce relationship between table, and prevent data duplication. So all properties are of primary key. Which command is used to remove a table from a database in SQL? If you want to remove table, definitely you can use drop and truncate. Or now there is a very best difference between drop and truncate. तो in future we can discuss. तो बेसिकली इसमें अगर देखा जाए यहाँ पे हम टेबल रिमूव करने की बात कर रहे हैं न कि डेटा. सो इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा वो होगा ड्रॉप. Which of the following ensure that the database transaction are completed without errors? That is concurrency control. Which of the following is a type of constraint in database management system? So database management system में हमारा जो प्राइमरी की होता है वो भी कंस्ट्रेंट होता है जो कि डुप्लीकेट इंस्ट्रक्शन को अवॉइड करता है. फॉरेन की भी होता है, चेक कंस्ट्रेंट भी होता है. चेक कंस्ट्रेंट में हम कोई कंडीशन देके चेक कर सकते हैं. तो सारे ऑप्शन करेक्ट है. Which of the following is a characteristics of a table relational model? So basically अगर relational model की characteristics की बात करें तो डाटा टेबल्स में organize होता है. That is correct. Which what type of database is MongoDB? So MongoDB is basically example of NoSQL database. Which of the following is used to modify the structure of a database? So basically, uh, data definition language is used for change the structure of database. What is a data dictionary? So basically, data dictionary is a repository that store metadata about the database. Constraint define a condition which needs to be satisfied while storing data in a database. Yes. An attribute is a basically column we have already discussed. Which command is used to create a new relation? That is create table. Which of the following is used to modify the structure of a database? So basically that is DDL. What is data dictionary? So basically data dictionary uh, a repository that store metadata about the database. I think we have already discussed this question. What does the ACID property stand for? So basically A means atomicity, C means consistency, I means isolation, D means durability. Which of the following is the example of DML command? So that is select. Which of the following is the most common type of DBMS model used today? That is relational data model. Which of the following is not a type of SQL constraint? So display is not a SQL constraint. Which command is used to update existing data in database? So by using using update command we can update data. What type of key is used to link table in a relational database? So basically foreign key and primary key used to create relationship between the table. Which of the following is it true about the relational model? So basically in relational data model, data is stored in table. So I think we have discussed 50 questions, which is basically based on the basic of uh, you know RDBMS. So in next quiz, definitely we discuss about some SQL queries and some basic concept. Okay, so thank you for watching this. Thank you.